Kasi makukompromiso sila. May mga bodyguard, powerful, the ever elite in this country. At pag naipit mo, all they have to do is to call Malacanang. At sabihin doon sa presidente, I'm not trying to attribute it to any particular president in our history. Tatawagan nila at sabihin lang nila, presidente, tanggalin mo ito si Kernel, itong si because ayaw mas suplado, ayaw sumunod. So, they call Malacanang, they call Krami. At itong mga military, pati mga police, they get transferred. So, sinong gagalaw sa kanila? Walang lumalapit. No PNP officer in his right mind would really banggain nila itong mga to.